Looking for the right strategy to grow your business but not sure where to start? The Ansoff Matrix is your go-to tool. Whether you want to sell more to existing customers, launch new products, or explore brand new markets, this simple 4-box framework helps you decide the best path to expand. From safe strategies like market penetration to high-risk ventures like diversification, the Ansoff Matrix breaks down growth options with clarity and precision. Ready to unlock your company's potential? Let's dive into the strategies that can take you there. Meaning, the Ansoff Matrix is a strategic tool used by businesses to identify and plan growth opportunities. It helps companies decide how to grow their business by exploring 4 key strategies based on whether they want to focus on existing market, new products, or new markets. The matrix is divided into 4 quadrants. 1. Market penetration. This strategy focuses on selling more of existing products to current market. It's the safest and least risky option because the company is already familiar with the product and market. 2. Product development. Here, the goal is to develop and introduce new products to the existing market. This allows a company to satisfy its current customers by offering them new or improved products. 3. Market development. This involves taking existing products into new markets. It could mean selling to a new geographical area or targeting a new customer demographic. 4. Diversification. The riskiest strategy. Diversification means launching new products in new markets. This requires significant investment and thorough research as the company is entering uncharted territory on both fronts. Let us discuss the Ansoff Matrix with a business scenario. Mr. David owns a lemonade stand in a busy residential area. Let us explore business growth options using the Ansoff Matrix. 1. Market penetration. Selling more lemonade in the current residential area. Mr. David can increase his sales by focusing on his existing customer base. He might offer promotions such as buy one, get one free, or create a loyalty program for repeat customers. Additionally, he could extend his operating hours to attract more foot traffic or improve his stand's visibility with better signage and marketing. 2. Product development. Introducing new products to the same residential area. Mr. David could expand his product line by offering new variations of lemonade, such as strawberry lemonade or iced tea. He might also introduce snacks, like cookies or sandwiches, that complement his lemonade sales. This way, he can provide more options to his existing customers and increase revenue. 3. Market development. Selling lemonade in new locations. To reach more customers, Mr. David could consider expanding to new areas, such as nearby parks, schools, or other residential neighborhoods. By bringing his lemonade stand to a wider market, he could increase his customer base and grow his business. 4. Diversification. Introducing new products in new locations. Mr. David can take a bigger risk by not only expanding to new locations, but also offering entirely new products. For instance, he could sell fresh fruit juices, smoothies, or healthy snacks in a different residential area or at local events. This would diversify both his product offerings and his customer base. Thus, Mr. David has several growth options to expand his lemonade stand business using the Ansoff Matrix. By choosing market penetration, product development, market development, or diversification, he can strategically grow his customer base and product offerings. Each approach offers unique opportunities and challenges, allowing Mr. David to increase sales and achieve long-term business success based on his goals and risk appetite. Check the description for the link to the multiple-choice question. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more insightful videos on business management topics.